Hello, welcome to biology class. I am Shipra Sharma from ADARSH SHANKAR Mount Abu. For class 9, continue our topic animal tissue. This is the last segment of our chapter, and in this segment we will discuss about the muscle tissue and the neural tissue. Muscle tissue, or we can say the muscular tissues, are made up of myofibrils, and these are of three types: skeletal muscles, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscles. Skeletal muscles are connected or attached with the bones, with our skeleton, and they are responsible for the movement and locomotion. And these are the voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles means they are controlled by our willpower, our thinking, and they have the striations. These are the striations. These are dark and light bands. It shows the striation. This is also known as striated muscles. These muscles are unbranched. So what are the qualities? These are the voluntary muscles, and these have the striation, light and dark bands. But these are unbranched. Then the second type of muscles, these are the smooth muscles. Their shape is the fusiform with tapering ends. The ends are the tapering, and these are the smooth muscles because striations are not there. They are not striated. Light and dark bands are not present there, and these muscles are present in the internal organ, in the viscera, like the stomach, intestine, and these are involuntary in function. What is the meaning of involuntary? Involuntary means they are not controlled by our thinking. They do their work automatically. Okay? So these are involuntary and non-striated muscles. And the third type of muscles are the cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are very important because it is present only in the heart and it never fatigues. Why it never fatigues? Because the lactic acid is never produced in these muscles. Okay? And this is the combination of skeletal and smooth muscles because striations are present in these type of muscles. These are the dark and light bands. These are present in cardiac muscles and also present in skeletal muscles. But these are the involuntary muscles like smooth muscles. So they have the characters of both type of muscles, smooth muscles and skeletal muscles. But these muscles are branched muscles. So we can differentiate between the skeletal and smooth muscles. Skeletal muscles are present only attached with the bones, with the skeleton, and they are responsible for the movement and locomotion of the body and body parts. And smooth muscles are present only in the internal organ. Skeletal muscles are voluntary, while smooth muscles are involuntary muscles. Okay? Skeletal muscles have the striations. So these are known as striated muscles, and smooth muscles have no striations are present, so they are known as non-striated muscle fibers. Now we come to the neural tissue. The last tissue. There are four types of tissues present in animal's body. So the last tissue is neural tissue, and neural tissue is very important because it controls and coordinates all types of body part, body systems, and neural tissue is made up of nerve cells, neurons. This is the structure of neuron, and neuron, the length of neuron may be 1 meter. So it is the longest cell of our body, and the structure is bipolar. You can see the bipolar. This is cell body. Cell body contains the cytoplasm, and in the center a spherical solid structure is present, which is known as nucleus. And around the nucleus you can see these are the mesal granules. These are the mesal granules. It surrounds the nucleus. Okay. Then the cell body. We are seeing the projections. These are the projections which are known as dendrites. These are known as dendrites. And what is the function of dendrites? They receive the impulses. They receive the information from the outer part, from the receptors. Okay. So the function of dendrite is receive the informations. Then the information goes into the axon. This tail-like projection is the longest projection, is known as axon. And is covered by the myelinated sheet. Okay, this is the myelin sheet, and this myelin sheet is made up of Schwann cell. Okay, but in some places the myelin sheet is not present. These are known as nodes of Ranvier. These are known as nodes of Ranvier. Okay, and the last portion of axon, these are the nerve endings. Okay, so axon transfer the information in the form of electrical impulses to the nerve endings, and nerve endings transfer the impulses to the next neuron, and they make a nerve like sensory nerve or motor nerve. But between the neuron, there are no physical connection. Actually, this is the functional junction between the two neurons, which is known as synapse. The synapse is the functional junction between the two neurons, and in this portion, the neurotransmitter, a liquid is present, and in the human, the liquid is acetyl choline. So this liquid